Hey, this is Brian. This is the active laundry detergent sheets. At first, I thought they were for the dryer because you think of like dryer sheets, but these are laundry detergent sheets, and they said they're like they disintegrate or dissolvable, and that confused me. I was like, oh, well, that's interesting, but they're obviously for the washer. So they give a deep clean. You can use one or two sheets, two if you've got a heavy load, or just one if you want to use one. So this is actually two sheets. It has a fold going down the middle. So we're going to actually use two of these sheets for the washer just to try them out so we can get the kind of a full experience. And we've got maybe a little bit over half a load in here. We've just got some sheets, so I'm going to put one on one side, one on the other, and we'll go ahead and close this. And we'll go ahead and do a regular load with, I think, warm temperature here. And we have it on extra large, and we'll just start it, and then we'll see how it does. All right, so now it's all done now. And I'm going to go ahead and just check it out. It looks like it's dissolved. I do not see any sheets anywhere. And these do have a pretty good smell. They smell like linen, kind of like a nice clean smell. I don't see any residue anywhere, which is kind of what I was looking out for. Looks like they fully dissolved in the washer, and that's pretty good. I'm going to show you the box again here. This comes with 40 sheets, 80 loads total, 40 full sheets where you can kind of split them up.